Right. So good morning, all of you. So now, today I want to do this assignment. So what do you feel? You tell me, which assignment you feel difficult? I given 6 assignments to you, or maybe one. I think this is not. Oh yeah, this is right. I believe this is the first assignment, right? First one. Second one. This is the third one, and fourth one, and the fifth one, and the sixth one. Amazon is the sixth one. Yes, sir. Maybe I think I have to move this side. This is Amazon is the sixth one, sixth assignment. One. So right. So this is the one. This is the one. Which one you feel is difficult? If you can say, I can implement it. No.
Amazon,
Yes, please carry on. Somebody is saying.
Amazon, sir, I feel difficult.
You feel Amazon is a difficult one. Okay, sure. So I will explain you. Any other? Any other? Third one. What is third one? This is third one. Very easy. No, this is a. Is this is? Okay. So one is Amazon, other one is stock market. Okay. Any other? Okay. Classroom people are okay with all the assignments. What about online people? I think still people didn't join the meeting. I believe only 4 people in the meeting, but no problem. So meanwhile, let me start this assignment. Okay. I just want to discuss this assignment. First of all, very important thing is what structure. And not only the structure, today I want to do this with the responsive also. How can we take this as a responsive? At least a day. You may not get the finishing as it is in Amazon, but at least you have to achieve that structure. Achieve the structure, right? How can I do the structure? Can we start this? Okay, let me do one thing. Let us open this image first in the design. I mean paint diagram. Let me draw the lines. Okay, first of all, when you're doing any assignment, take the snap and take a pen and paper. Draw the line. This is a whole parent. In the parent, I have 2 parts. Left part image, right parts again 2 parts. In every 2 part, there are 4 parts again. You have to think like this. So if you can put if you can put like this with pen and paper, you will be awesome in designing. And I'm sure how many years it may be, you will never forget the designing. This is a way of learning. You go anywhere, no one will teach you this way, this method of learning. Go anywhere because I'm in the many years in this market. I know that what exactly people will teach you. So that's why I'm telling you. So let us implement the same assignment. Okay. So I want to open this assignment in the paint diagram. This is the assignment. Open with paint diagram. Open with painter. Let me tell you the lines first of all. This is the image. So parallelly, let me open the editor also. Let us create one basic HTML structure first of all. Before taking this, let me save this file in our CSS folder with the name. What is the name? Amazon.html. Okay, whatever the file it may be, Amazon.html. So HTML head body. So take this head and title body, head open, head close. This is going to be title open, title close. What we can say? Amazon assignment, ASSIGN, I don't know. Maybe this is before lockdown, I believe. When I'm designing, my assignments is what is complete website creation. You have to create Amazon website. You have to create IRCTC. You have to create Facebook. This is my assignment, not one small part of Amazon. If you are interested, you can do that also. Earlier, I given this assignment because that is taking a lot of time. Every students are spending a lot of time. That's why I reduced that assignment level. So basic snippets, if you can able to do those snippets, we can copy wherever you want. Like this, I given 6 to 5 designs, right? That's the main reason is that. So if you want, you can do this in a different way also, no problem. So I mean, website, sir, I want to create the whole website my own. Yes, you start. I can help you if you're stuck anywhere, right? So this is a basic structure. Now come here now. So see the diagram. So take a line here. All of you, what I want to take here, I just want to take one box. See this carefully. This entire thing is going to be one parent only. Got it? This is all what? One parent, one section. Section is what? One row. Okay, that. Come here now. So take this as a section. The orange color is there in a section. So like this, I will start designing. The best approach I identified, easy understanding. So let us take a class or ID equal to, take this is going to be container. Take anything, not only container. So, some people will take ID container. Why I'm taking ID container, I will tell you. ID container. Inside this, I'm taking one more div with a class container. I want to take like this. Why I'm taking, I will tell you. So both are parents, but I will tell you. Both, this is going to be class container. But forget about this section for a while. So this is our main. Why I take an extra? Otherwise, let us leave this also, no problem. Okay, you can leave this container, no worries. Only one parent. Okay, I will add this at the end of it. Why I should need this? That requirement I will tell you at the end. I will tell you. Okay, so this is the container. So in the container, the orange color. So how many parts are there in the orange color, Andy? I have to divide this into two parts. This is going to be part one. Color is okay. This is going to be part one. This is going to be part two. Got it? Part two. So I mean, what I want to take, sir, inside this container, you have to take two divs. Take a div open, div close. Let us take a class is equal to block. I'm taking block. Whatever again you want, right? AZ block, Amazon block, AZ block. This is also AZ block. Same equal blocks, right? So same design, equal blocks. Okay, I want to take like this. Otherwise, you can take one more class also. One more class, AZ image, like this also. We can take multiple classes also, do you know? So ID, one element, one ID. But you can provide a class. The class may have multiple classes also. We can provide the same element. For one element, we can provide multiple classes. But one element contain one ID. But one element may contain something. So the common class I provided, if I want to design anything AZ image, I will do. Only image if I want to design. Okay, right, done. So this is the left side one. This is the right side one. First, let us work on the left side one. Left side one, there is a title and some information is there, and there is an image. Remaining is the image, and start watching on the Prime Video. Maybe that is also a label. Maybe I don't know exactly what it is going to be. Now I want to implement this image. Come here now. IMG SRC. Sorry, IMG SRC. First, I'm taking the structure. Very important thing. Images folder. Go to Amazon, quickly download one image from the same place, amazon.in. Oh, I don't have image here. Yeah, this is an image. No worries. Download any one of the image. See, this is the text. This is also text. Remember, this is not the part of image. This is text on the image. Very important. Remember. So this is also text on image. So upon the image, anchor tag. Okay, that is anchor tag only that I will tell you. 1 minute, please. Let's sorry. What is happening? Let us download this image. Save image as. Image is going to be in your images folder. CSS. Images folder. Kalki.jpg. What is the image downloaded? Kalki.jpg. Extension. Extension is very important. PNG na JPG na. Right. So downloaded. So then what I will do immediately, you can download these images also if required, guys. Why should I waste time? So let us write this is going to be 1.jpg quickly. I don't want to take the same names. Let us do this very quickly. I want to do this 2.jpg. So all images I'm downloading into your location. This is going to be 3.jpg. And like this, same simple naming convention I'm using. Don't use these names, guys. Here for our understanding, I'm using these names. Okay, right? This is going to be same thing. This is going to be 5. All JPG set, right? This is going to be what are the images? I don't know. The sizes also I don't know. But some images may be big, some images may be small. We don't know. But I am downloading all these images. Okay, this is going to be like 7. First of all, take some time to download all this information. No problem. So ultimately, we have to get the finishing as it is in the sense. Yes, we have to do like this. I downloaded all 80 images in our images folder. Now let us start work on it. Okay, na? Right. We are done with it. I think we don't want to come there. Right. So we have the images. Now you can see this is going to be klki.jpg. That is the image. Kalki.jpg. Okay, leave it. Okay. Now you can come here now. The AZ block. In the AZ block, if you can see how many blocks are there, 2 blocks again. And in the div again, I have 2 blocks. Okay, now all of you see this carefully. In this div, again, how many blocks are there? You have 2 blocks. This is block 1 So this is going to be block 2. Okay, don't worry about this. And this is going to be block 1 and block 2. Okay, in this div again, you are coming here like div tag open, div tag close. Take this is going to be a class is equal to what shall we take? AZ.
Right side.
Okay, AZ. I want to take some meaningful. Okay, that is also AZ block. This is also AZ block. AZ sub block. Right, whatever. Sorry.
Right block. Right left block.
Right block, left block. Whatever you want, you can take it. Right. I'm taking AZ hyphen left block, sub block, whatever it is. AZ left block, AZ right block. Okay, no? Right. RIGHT right block. Or else AZ block simply both are same design.
Yes, sir.
Can you see both are same design, right? If both are having same design, why should you take a different class? Take the same class, no problem. AZ block, AZ block. If both are having same design, we can take this. But it is also, this is AZ. What is the difference here? Hyphen is there, hyphen is not there. Write this AZ blocks, you write. Better to write AZ blocks. You want to make a hyphen symbol also, you can make hyphen symbol or underscore is also okay, no problem. AZ blocks. In these blocks, we have a block 1, block 2, like this we are having. Okay, na? Right, tell me now. Now, inside the every block, come here now and come to the structure again. All of you see, inside this is a block, na? All of you see. This is a block, right? This is a block. Every block design we need to do. So this is title. Keep this title into one div. Okay, now got it? Keep this title into one div. And next one, all these images are there, na? There are 4 images are there, na? All these 4 images should be into one div again. One div again. And this expand all or explore all should be in one div again. I want to take what here you can see. So this I want to take this div for title. What is the title, Andy? Revamp your homing style. So take this into a H1 or H3 or H4, whatever it is going to be. What is the thing? Revamp your homing style. Your homing style. No need to take the same information. You want, you can take your own information also. I'm assuming, right? So better to have AZ block title. Take a class is equal to meaningful classes. You take it always. So this is going to be AZ block title. I want to take it. Right, block. Next one is going to be so this title is coming. Next one is what, Andy? Next one, this is all going to be again in one div. Very important. This is all going to be in one div. Here is the many of the people did the mistake. I think I seen your code. Okay, right. So let us see this carefully. This is a div. In the div, let us have a class is equal to AZ block block info. Oh, whatever it is, info. So at the end, you see, I will come in a minute. So what are you having here? Explore all. So this is won't take much time. Do one thing very quickly. Come here now. So take a div open, div close. Let us finish that. Let us finish that also. I will come into the middle block. So let us take a class is equal to AZ block link. That is a link. So here you are taking what ahref is equal to expand all or explore all, something, explore all, whatever it is going to be. This is okay. This is done. So now I want to work on this middle div. This is what the title div. This is what the explore all div. This is what AZ block info. In this info, if you can check it now, can you see how many blocks are there, guys? Here, can you see? This is the, all of you see this carefully. This is the information, right? This is AZ block info. In this block info, again you are having, what are you having? Again, I should have 4 divs again. That's very important. Yes, 4 divs. Every div contain what? Image and some title. Image and some title. I think this is the mistake you did earlier. Some of you people who complete the assignment. Yes, sir. Same thing. Copy paste for the right side also. Now we will do in a right side minute. Come here now. So again inside the div, you are taking class is equal to take some meaningful class AZ block. What shall we take, guys, here? Oh my God, I am not getting the naming session. AZ block? Images, huh? Okay, right, images, no problem. Images. Inside this, we have IMG SRC, right? So, and we have some link also. ahref is equal to some link also there. Otherwise, you want to wrap everything into a link also, we can link this into wrap also. Some people, what they will do, here they will take anchor tag. AHREF. Watch it carefully. You can do like this also. AHREF is equal to anchor open anchor. Inside the anchor tag, they will take image. They will take para. Like this also they will take. Yes. Why? Because I want to provide anchor for image, anchor for para also. Let us mix both. Why should I write such a way? Yes, we can do like this also. We can do like this also. Image inside, anchor tag inside. See, even if you can click on the image, even if you can click on the anchor, it should go to the location. See, if you can go to the Amazon again, you see, you can click on this. See, wherever you go, anchor tag is highlighting. You can click on portion covers, or you can click on the image also. Same. So what they are doing, they are wrapping anchor tag. Otherwise, some people, what they will do without having any confusion. So here they will do like this. What is they are going to do? I don't want to do like this. So this is going to be AHREF, sorry, they will take AHREF. So they will take only image here. So after that, what they will take again, they will come to the next line. That's why they are taking paragraph, right? Again, they will take HREF. Why should I take two HREFs here? Unnecessary. That's why I'm taking all these into an anchor tag. AHREF is equal to, so inside you take img src equal to images folders slash 1.jpg. Height width, don't set height width. Okay, leave this height width there. So after that, you can come here now, and it is going to be a paragraph tag. What is the para? There is then the cushion covers and bed sheets and more. Okay, don't worry. I'm writing CU. Cushion covers, bed sheets, and more. So like this, how many AZ block info Sunday? Inside AZ block info, you should need 4, 2, 3, and 4. Got it up? Your structure is ready now. So here I'm taking 2.jpg, 3.jpg, 4. I'm not changing the titles. Let us keep the titles. Or later you can change it. So our concept is not that is right. So I'm done with it now. So now what you should do, this is AZ blocker. So you see, this is the, what it is, 2 parents. Okay. In this second one, you have AZ block, AZ block. This AZ block, what I want to do, copy this AZ block. I copied it. Same thing you can paste here one more time. The same style, na? Maybe titles may be different. Okay. Don't worry. I copied the same second time also. AZ block, AZ block. What is the second title heading, Andy? Can you go to this? Up to 60% off on footwears and handbags. Right? Same thing. So images 6, 7, 8, 9. Yes, sir? 6, 7. Yes, right?
5, 6, 7.
Oh, 5, huh? Okay, no problem. This is okay, fine. This is 5. This is going to be 6, 7, and this is going to be 8. So this is, see, how can we create the complex structures? This is a way. Now you see, if you can minimize it, can you see properly minimizing? You can write AZ block, 2 AZ blocks. I mean, so this is left side image. This is right side. Right side again divided into 2 blocks. You should get like this. In every block, again, if you can see, this is the title. This is the 4 images. This is the explore all. So AZ block contain 3 subsections again. So again, if you can come here in this, there are 4 subsections. Can you see the structure? It should be like this, and when you're expanding, it should be neat like this. So then only it will be easy to understand. So it won't come in one day. When you're practicing like this, keep on practicing like this. At the one point of time, definitely you will get very clarity, very idea. So this problem you may not understand right now while creating the structure. When you're designing, if you are trying to arrange the items side by side, some items also coming side by side. Why some items also coming side by side? I want to arrange these 2 items only. Yes, you know that, right? So the problem is what, problem in the structure only. You didn't take the proper structure. So same thing we repeated here. So if we can always remember whatever the assignment I given, take a pen and paper. Initially, take a pen and paper. Now I'm not taking any pen and paper. Why? I did a lot of sessions, a lot of examples I did. That's why it is a by hearted, simply says. It is by heart. The structure taking and everything is by hearted. I don't want to take it. But initially, you guys are required to take a pen and paper initially, right? So try to write some boxes. In the boxes, what it is. Like this, you have to imagine. Then only you will get a proper structure. This you go anywhere. No one will tell you how to take the structure. So no one will teach you this also, this way. The designing, especially you go anywhere, you will understand exactly what it is going to be. Okay, right, I'm done. So now next one is going to be, okay, this structure is ready. If you can refresh this HTML file, can you see what is output? I'm going to run this file in the browser. Will you get the design like Amazon? I'm not getting the design. So I'm getting this. I'm getting all these images like this, one by one. They're all coming. This is the by default nature of HTML. They will all come one by one, by default, all aligned to left side. That is the default nature. Static in nature, na? That is what static in nature. By default position of every HTML element is what static nature. So they're all coming. Now, don't see anything here. Okay, you see the preview now? Come to the code now. Come to the code. Come to the code and minimize this. What you want to bring side by side? Sir, I want to bring these two side by side. Who is the father of these two? Container. Think like this. Go to the CSS file. Now let us start the CSS code. Container. Come to the style. If you can think like this, I hope you can do all the assignments, Andy. So this is one. So who asked this assignment? Very nice. I know that some of the people may ask this assignment because the taking structure is a little confusion. I know that. That's why I given this. Right? That too the last assignment. Assignment 6 I given, but maybe if you can understand previous assignments, they all look like same skeleton, somewhat around same skeleton. Okay, so right, this is going to be right. Refresh the page. So by default, borders gone and everything is gone. Okay, right. Now come to the container. Container. What is a container? Box. Sorry, display flex. Display flex. You see what is going to just flex only. Refresh the page. If I refresh the page, what is happening? Can you see? Right side, they're all coming one by one. Okay, they're all coming one by one. Right, if you can write flex wrap, then what is going to be happen? Flex. And always write one property, see the output, then only you will get the idea. Otherwise, you will never, right? So if you can write it again, they will come down. Okay, they are not coming down. Okay, no problem. They're all in the side. But write always flex wrap, right? Always right. But earlier we have scroll bar. Now this is also scroll bar is still available. Okay, no problem. Because images, this Kalki image is a very big image. That's why maybe this is okay. Right. So now done. Now these aged blocks need some width. Okay, take this aged block. Aged blocks are what is better. Same class we have to provide, right? Aged blocks. I forget earlier, right? Aged blocks. So flex width I'm taking, this is going to be 48% I'm taking. What is the percentage? 48% I'm taking. Save this. If you can refresh. Is it done? No, why it is not done? Very big image.
You want to tell the images style, na?
Image is going to be image is this image is very big image. So what you want me to do, tell me. Like I said, aged this width 48, this width also 48. 48 means I have to bring side by side only. But they are not still coming side by side. 1 minute. Make this a border. Let me verify. BORDR border. I'm writing 2 pixel solid, some red border. You can take it and refresh it. Is border is applying. Border is applying applying border. Left side applying, right side also applying. But if you can observe, right side because of the image, I think you see, because image is not allowing me. Tell me please now, how can we set the image into the container width only? What is the parent and parent aged blocks now? Aged block width is 48. Image also should be inside this 48 only. Then what I want to do, retake the class aged image of IMG. What is the width of the image? Very good. Width of the image, you said this is going to be 100%. If we can set now, inside the 48%, image will fit now. So earlier it is not. So because you have to control this. Now, if you can refresh, image is fitted in the 48%. 100% means that is completed. Keep it left side block for a while. Now let us work on the right side block. Okay, now right side block. Now if you can come to the right side block, this is also AZ blocks. In the AZ blocks, can you see what are you having? AZ block, AZ block. You have two blocks now.
Yes, sir.
You have two blocks. So I think it's better to take different name here, guys. Here, is it okay now? AZ block, AZ blocks. Because if I write display flex, maybe because we have image. After that image, I want to take some other information also inside of it. Okay, no problem. Take the AZ block. No worries about it. Okay, AZ blocks. Now in the AZ blocks, come here now. I'm writing display flex. What I want to write? Display flex. Remember, in the AZ block, you have two AG block now. AG block, AG block. And these two should be side by side. So to bring these two side by side, again, you write display flex, flex wrap, wrap. FLEX flex, WRAP, wrap, wrap. Okay, write it. Refresh the page. Are they side by side?
Yes, sir.
Side by side. But so these four related, so they're all coming one by one. Still, you see, questions and more, questions and more. This is different. Up to 60% category. This is going to be revamp your home style. These all are going to be revamp home style. These all four vertically, if you can see, this is. But these four also should be side by side again, right? Yes, sir. These four also should be side by side. But if you can go to this, and you can set the width for this also on the AZ block width 50, 48, 48, you set it. Width dot AZ block width flex 48%. Flex 48% I will take it. Now, so you set border also for more clarity. So I'm setting this is going to be some border. BORDR border equal to 2 pixel solid green border I am taking. Okay, this time green border. Let me see what is going to be happen. Is green border is added? Added and if you can remove the red border here, anyhow we adjusted this, remove the red border, maybe you will get the green border properly. That and this you will see the green border. Two green borders for the left and right. Okay. Now, so we have done this. Inside this, in AZ, every AZ block, you have 4 blocks. Maybe if you can expand this. And we don't want to work on this title. This is not required. We need to work on AZ block info. In this AZ block info, you have 4 image blocks. I take an AX. Okay, no problem. Class I take an AX. Is it okay? No worries. It's not a class, should be anything. Okay. Now, these also should be display flex. Now you see AZ info. Again, you write display flex. Display flex I am writing. If you can write display flex, are they side by side? They're all side by side, but images are looks very big. So in the AZ block images, for every image, let me set some width also. Let me set some width also here. This is going to be right flex wrap, wrap also, wrap, wrap. Always wrap this. Right. If you can refresh again. So this is actually, but still they are not adjusted. So define some width for it. So AZ images again, display flex. See how many display flex we are writing here. Display flex. If you can refresh, they are not side by side. Why? Because AZ images. Sorry, you have to set flex width here. Flex width. Flex is going to be again 48% only. I'm taking. So 48%. So maybe if we can take this 48%, still reduce this 40%. If we can reduce, will it work? But maybe image is that. Image size we have to set 100%. In AX blocks, you have images, na? So both this and AX block images, IMG, set width is going to be 100%. Width of the image is going to be 100%. If we can set, maybe it will adjust into the box container. Is it adjusted? No, it is not adjusting. Why this is not adjusting? 1 minute, please. So image is available inside. Oh, it is inside anchor tag. You understand? It is inside anchor tag. So that my selector is not correct. So you have to write what? A like this. Of course, this is going to be like this. Inside a inside image. So if you can refresh it again, maybe now you see this is adjusted, almost all structure is getting adjusted. So now we have to add some gaps. We have to add some gaps and spaces and margins and everything we should add here. So there is no spacing such a thing. So now this is all work. Our ultimate concept is completed. What is the concept? Bringing the item side by side is completed. See, so if you can check this as the structure like this only, you will understand. Otherwise, it's not going to be easy. So here also you take 48% only. 48 or 45% you take it, no problem. This will get adjusted automatically. They're all not attached. So, I mean, attached together. Let me write some margin, 5 pixels margin I'm writing. So they are attached right now. So there is some gap between the, you remove this, the green color. Why we are adding green and we for our understanding that is equally distributed or not. See, some gaps are there. Still, you want to add more gap? Yes, you can add more gap also. Otherwise, in the agent blocks, I want to write some padding. Let's write padding 10 pixels, all 4 size padding. I want to write including this image and everything. We are getting some gap, right? Everything we are getting some gap. So inside these blocks, you want to add more gap. I'm writing this is going to be 10 pixels margin. So 10 pixels margin means we will get more gap like this. So you design some gaps, some border radius, and this is attached directly to it. I want to make some gap bottom and top. Explore all should be at some gap on top and bottom. There is no link underline for it. So this structure is done. I'm done with the structure. What is the next thing that we need to do on tech? To design. The beautification is ultimate. See how Amazon design is there. How my design is looks like. It's not looks like proper. The Amazon design is looks very nice. That's right. So now what I want to do here. So let us start design this also. I want to design this also. Open this Amazon. Right, there is a lot of gap between these blocks and they can you see left block and right block. There is a lot of gap, no?
Yes, sir.
Right? So okay, let us do one thing. So what I want to do as this the design I want to implement, right? Go to your container. In the container, let me set the background color. Background color is going to be hash D1, D1, D1. Gray color I'm providing. Gray color. Gray color. So this is gray color. Now for this, what I want to do, this is an AZ block on 1 minute. Come to the structure. So this is AZ block. Okay. 2 AZ block. AZ block background color is going to be white and AZ block. I want to set background color is going to be white ash FFF. White color I'm setting. If you can refresh this, white color is added. And there should be some gap between that AZ and this AZ also. So then what I want to do, let us write some margin 10 pixels here I'm writing. 10 pixels if you can write, then maybe you have to reduce a little width also. You have to check it. Now you see. So width we have to adjust it and so then 10 pixels you read now. Why 10 pixels all 4 sides? Left right 10 pixels. Top bottom 0 pixels is okay now. 10 pixels left right. Okay, then reduce this width to 45 little. So if you can refresh it, let me see. Adjusted, no. Reduce this to 42 and check this carefully now. Is it done? No, it's not done. Why? So 40 is fine. Let me set the 40. So it's not coming, guys. What is the reason? 35. Let me check this. Is it fine? It is not coming. What is the reason? Is this is the correct place? Sorry? So we are getting this. What is my point here? Sorry, width also you set it now. What I'm expecting. See, we have 2 blocks, left to right side now, revamp and up to. There should be some gap between this and that. That is what I'm expecting actually. There should be some gap. So why I was unable to add the gap? So what is the problem? This is AZ blocks 48, 48, each AZ block again. So should be adjusted little. So, but this is 1 minute. Okay. Come here now. Add the margin. Top bottom 0 pixels, left right 10 pixels. So if I refresh, but that is coming down. I don't want to make it down. because of the more gap, I believe. Aged images are going to be, make this is going to be 40. Let me check this is going to be, if we can refresh. See, there is some gap here. Maybe I did wrong play earlier. Right. So this is what exactly. Some gap is there now? Exactly. So same like Amazon. So same like Amazon, if we can check the Amazon image, yeah. So there is some gap on all four sides also, you see. Let's write some padding inside of it. Go to this every agent blocks, agent block. Let me write some padding 10 pixels also. Padding 10 pixels I'm writing, all four sides. Okay, some gap. If you want to get more gap, write more value. So top bottom 10 pixels, or top bottom 20 pixels, left right 10 pixels. If you want, you can take it, no problem, your choice. Now you can see top bottom will have the more gap and left right is going to be gap, will be like this. Otherwise, you want to provide gap only for this. Okay, you remove the gap here. See what I want to do. We have aged block, aged images, and aged info. Now, inside aged info, if you write padding top and bottom, inside this, now you will see the gap will be like this. This is on top actually. We have tried some code for this also. So I return gap for this parent. All these 4 blocks parent is there na. Info. For that info, I written padding. So padding top and bottom. Left, right, I don't want much. So this way we can do. And this is what exactly. If you want to make this exactly center, you can make center. No, I want to keep as it is. And yes, you can keep as it is, no problem. So inside this also, what is this? Inside this guys here we are having agent block. Inside the agent block, we have agent block title. So let's come here now. This is going to be dot agent block title. Same padding. I'm writing top bottom 10 pixels. Left right. Okay, padding top 10 pixels. Let us write only top. Padding top 10 pixels. I'm writing padding top 10 pixels. If we can write it, see padding top, and I need padding left also little. So obviously, let's write like this also. Padding left. So can I write padding left 20 pixels? Let us see. That is adjusting or not properly. 20 pixels. I think it is a note more. I think right 15 pixels looks like more. Exactly, I want to write. It's perfect, or maybe you have to write 2 pixels are adjusted. 16 pixels I'm taking. No problem. Some people will take a scale. They will measure it. That is alignment properly or not. Unfortunately, we face this problem. When we are designing, there is a testing team. This is aligned properly. This is little coming out. Can you adjust this also? Maybe we don't know. That's why I'm working such a way. Same for this also. This is what exactly explore all. Yes, explore all did. So agent I believe this is agent block link now. Same thing for this also. I won't write the comma. Same for this and for this same gap I need. So now you see explore all also will be same thing. Now you remove underline for it. Text line center. You decide whatever you want, because I taken same title. If you can take different title, maybe you will get look very nice. So this underlines here not required. Okay. So color is also different. Color is also different. What I want to do here for every anchor tag. So I want to take a different color. So color is going to be not that blue color. So can I write 999 or 666? I'm writing 666 color for every anchor tag inside this. Right, color also change it now. Right, so remove the texture decoration. Texture decoration, none. NONE, none. We don't want underline for it. But when you are hovering, I think this is underline is required, I believe. So if you can see, there it is. Maybe, oh, there is no underline, right? Just clickable, that's all, guys. Okay. So this is how. And this is color also different. When I'm hovering, color is different here. When I'm hovering, color is different here. Expand all anchor tag. Okay. Right. If you want to write this also, you write this. This is agent block anchor is there. Na? So this is going to be dot agent block anchor. So here in the anchor, you can write the color is going to be some blue color or orange color, something, whatever you want, you can take it now. Only that color only. If you can refresh, color is going to be like this. Text decoration, none for this also. Text decoration, none for this also. I don't want blue color means you want to take Amazon color only, na? You can take Amazon color. What is the color we have in Amazon? So the color is going to be light color, light. This is what is the color, and do you know the color? How can I get the color of the anchor tag? I have 1 minute. Color picker, press F12. I have installed color picker eyedropper, na? Right. If you can move this color picker on the anchor tags exactly, oh, where it is. Oh my God, it is not. Yeah. Can you see the anchor tag color? Not getting actually. I was unable to pick the color. Let us get this back color. This back color, the blue black is there, na? I'm copying the color code. Okay. Of course, we can right click on it. If you exactly you want to get the color up, hit this, na? Right click on this anchor and then inspect it. In the right side, you will find the color of the anchor tag. So maybe somewhere, where is this anchor? Where is this anchor? This is the anchor. What is the anchor tag color? This is the anchor tag color code. Somebody's website color, you want to get it? Yeah, this way we can do it. So what is the color code? Yeah, this is the color code. Same color I want to get here also. This is going to be the color. Okay, hash. On hover, let us take like this. TOMATO tomato. So I'm refreshing this. Maybe if you will also get the same color, no? When you're hovering, see that color we are getting same way. That way I implemented. Is there anything need to finish here? 1 minute. Let us close this again. So if you want to get any other more or something, you can do this. But we have a lot of gap. If you can think, you can provide that gap also. Right. This is the way that you can do. But if you can feel there is a more gap, reduce that gap also. How can we do this exactly, man? This is okay now. And earlier I tried to add one parent. Na? I removed the parent. Why I removed the parent? I will tell you. Okay. See, this is the structure, right? This is the structure. This is the whole overall structure. Earlier, do you remember? I taken a section here. Do you remember? I removed that section ID equal to container. CONTAINER container. Let me close this section here. Okay, I'm closing the section here. Section open, section close. Inside the section, we are having the following information. Yes, sir. Right, container. So this is ID container, or else you can take this is going to be AMAZN Amazon class. Take any name. What is my ID? Amazon. Why I need this parent, sir? If I add parent, is anything happen to me? And nothing happened. Remember, in real time, there are two types of layouts. Full width layout, boxed width layout, boxed width layout, box layout, full width layout. Full width means whatever the screen it may be, it will occupy. Boxed means fixed width. I don't want this full width. Sometimes customers will ask you boxed width, not full width. Then how can I create this full width layouts, guys, here? Now let me show you the same thing. How can we show the full width layout? What happening? Screen is not visible. Yeah. Let me show you the same thing, how it is going to be box width. Box width in the sense nothing only. So they will set some fixed width here. See, dot Amazon. This is going to be width 85%. Total width 85%. That's all. Write it and refresh it. 85% width. Is it applied 80%? ID selector. Sorry. Oh, Ash, we have to take. Very good. Thank you. So if you can refresh it now, 8. Right side, you have a lot of gap now. I don't want that much gap on right side, sir. Left side and right side equal gap is required. So what I will do for this simply, if you can write the property margin 0 auto. What's the property? Margin 0. And next one is what? Auto. What is 0? Top, bottom? 0. Left, right, auto. Automatically adjust. Now, if you can refresh it, can you see? This is called fixed width. Left side, right side, you are having some equal gap. So sometimes, see, you can observe any website. Header and banner will be full width always. Header or sliders are always full width. After header banner completed, you see at the bottom you will have always fixed width content. You observe any website. So this observation is also required. Why that is full width on top? Why this is a fixed width on the bottom also? You should check like this. That's why we will add that parent if required. The customer says, I want this width only. Yes, you can go with this. So no, I want to make full width. Then no need to add that table. Of course, even if I can add it, no need to write the CSS. No need to write the CSS. You want full width only now? No problem. You can take like this. This is a full width layout. You want fixed width layout, you can take like this. This is going to be called fixed width layout. Now, it's time to work with responsive. Yes, sir? Ultimately, we did one big job here, but I don't want this. What do you say? You want that? You can keep it. Okay, I'm commenting this. I'm not deleting this. I'm commenting this. For fixed width layout, you can use this. For full width layout, you can. Right now, I want to go full width layout only. Okay, now? Right. If I press F12, oh sorry, press F12 and check the same thing. Yeah. So what is this? Is it looks good? Oh my God, horrible, right? Horrible. So 576 below, 576 below. Let's make it as 1 by 1. 1 by 1. Everything should be 1 by 1. How do I do this? All of you write the media query @media. @media. Only screen and max width 576 pixels below. What you want to do? Dot container. Dot container. Flex direction. Flex direction. What is the direction? Column. Now refresh it. Refresh the page. Now you can see Kalki on top. Bottom, you will see this. See how beautiful now. Again, if you can minimize this. But oh, this is adjusting properly. You see the beauty? Still, if I can adjust this. Now, still here also, what I want to do. Let us write the same thing. Comma. Dot. Aged blocks. This also should be 1 by 1. Aged blocks. If you can refresh now, you see. This is coming 1 by 1. See how this is working. Adjust. That's what the power of media query. So when you're adjusting in this point, you want to do anything, you can do it. And these items also 1 by 1 you are expecting. These items also 1 by 1. What is the class you provided for this? And aged block info. Dot aged block block info. Now you see all these also will be 1 by 1. Now you see they're all coming 1 by 1. They're all coming 1 by 1.
Some padding between none, sir.
Padding is there. If you want, you can reduce it. See, my agenda is what here? When you are in a big screen, small screen. So if you have a screen like this, they have to be adjusted like this 1 by 1 only. So now up to 576, they're all perfectly working. 576 above. I don't want this. 576 above. Let us write one more media query. 576 above. What is the 576 above media query? Tell me, please. @media. Sorry. @media. Only screen and min width 768. Yesterday, did you written them? Okay, no problem. 768. 678. In this resolution, what I want to do? Same thing I need there. All of you, same thing I need. But aged block should be side by side only. Let us see. In this resolution, if you can refresh. So, what is the resolution I written? 576. 6. Oh, I written this, right? Why this is not working? Min width. 576 to max width 768 pixels between that resolution. Otherwise, you write 577. Already 576 is there, na? Right. Let us go there. And if you can refresh, so it is going to be in between the range. So they are all, you see now. Earlier, they're all coming 1 by 1 in a small resolution. In a small resolution, they're all coming 1 by 1. Yes, sir. But when you're expanding this, they're coming like this up to this. So up to after that, they're coming. Is it okay for you? And if this is okay for you, I'm very happy. What is the next resolution? Next media query. 768, 769, 769 to 920. Up to this resolution, because it's in tablet, 920 pixels in this resolution. This is going to be display flex. That's all. Flex direction column only. Now, if you can refresh it, maybe you see this is going to be in this resolution. This is coming like this. So if you can go down like this, if what is happening here? Something went wrong. Min width 920. Flex direction column. Correct? Media query. Is there anything wrong in the media query? min, max 920. In max 920, what is going to be happen? 920 above, that is 920 below. What I written 920 below? Is it fine for you 920 below? Okay, 920 below. Remove the media query. If I can refresh. So is it fine? Huh? In this resolution, what is best option? Is it okay? Then you can play with this value. Is it fine? Oh, this is also not looks good, right? Okay, somewhat image is going to be like this only, no problem. In this resolution, see, ultimate thing is what here, what are you expecting in that in this resolution? Okay, that you can check it. So major blocks info also. If you can go for the mobile and small devices, it is going to be like this. But in 920, I don't want to make this way. So let me remove this. In this resolution, what are you expecting? So this looks good, Andy. After that, okay, let me leave it. Okay, this is also fine, not such a big thing here. Okay, I'm fine with it. Yeah. So like this, we have to adjust the content. Responsive. Ultimately, if you are watching in tablet, it will be like this. If you are watching in tablet. If you're watching in desktop, it is going to be like this. If you're watching in a mobile device, it should be like this. Ultimately, we have to adjust this content based on the user resolution. Which device you are using, we don't know. That's why you are fitting the media queries like this. How many media queries you want to write? You can write a number of media queries. No problem. There is no restriction for the media query. Mostly, you will write one more set media query. So this is for mobile, this is for tablet, this is for above the tablet. If you want to write one more for desktop, you can write one more for desktop also, we can write it. Okay, and I mean, small laptops to large laptops also, we can write 920 to 1220 somewhere around, 1200 and 12 somewhere around. And 1200 above also, we can write one more media query if required. If you don't write the media query, don't worry, this will apply. So I didn't write the media query for 1200 now, but this is even 1200, the content will adjust automatically. If you didn't write the media query, for 1200 default written styles now, those styles will apply to it. So this is the way of adding styles to your content. Check it carefully, maybe little confusion, maybe try to watch the things clearly, watch the video also, maybe you will get some idea. Ultimate concept is what, at the end of the day, if you can take the structure properly, you will get proper design, proper layout. If you are missing anything in the structure, you are asking to bring 2 items side by side and 4 items are coming side by side. The problem is what with structure problem. If you are getting that way, remember, double check the structure. Otherwise, that's fine. So like this, we can create the assignment. Okay, right. So any other online people or classroom people, if you have any other, let me know. Yeah, if you can check number 3 assignment. Did you send me the assignments? Amazon, Anshuman, sorry, Google, Gmail. If you sent to me, yeah, he sent to me the assignments. So JIP assignment 3rd, you want me to check? Yeah.
The content is remaining.
Sorry?
Right side. Can't be image of top of content.
Oh, content you want to add? Oh my God. So if you want to add content in Kalki image like this, how can we add content on top only? How can we add this on bottom only?
And position relative and absolute.
Very good. Relative and absolute, you have to take it. Yes, that's true. So I mean, quickly, can I work on it? If you want, I will work on this quickly. I mean, what I want to say here. So in this banner container, you have this now. Do one thing, take this into one more parent here. One more parent is required. So one more parent. Div class is equal to, what is the image? Left image. Don't worry. Whatever it may be, left image is the left image. Inside this, let me take one more div, banner info. Let us take a class is equal to, I'm taking something called banner info. In this banner info, you are going to have a H1 tag and you are going to have a paragraph tag. So what is the information I have here? This is the information I have. Okay. So quickly I'm taking this. And what is this is going to be? Some information is going to be Kalki AD or something like this. So, but inside of it, that image earlier you written something may not work, so that you have to write the class inside this image. You have to write it. Okay, because you adjusted this now. So now this information is printing under the bottom of this. I don't want print on the bottom. I want print exactly on the banner on top. Banner on top. How do I do this? So banner on top. So you have a class. What is the class called? Banner info. What is the class called? Banner info is a class. Banner info. Some people will write margin top minus 200 pixels. They will write minus pixels. You can never write. Okay. So if you write minus 2 pixel, it is available here. No. I don't want right here. Like this, how many pixels will you write? I don't know. If all of a sudden customer is opening in web mobile ante, what is mobile top 200 pixels? What minus mobile resolution is different. Desktop resolution is different. In desktop it will work properly, but in mobile it will go up. We cannot see it. Why? Because minus pixels is different in mobile. So it should be on top of the banner, exactly top of the banner, right? What I will do, see this carefully. Who is the parent of this? Aged image, aged image. For this aged image, you write always aged, image, image, position relative. What you will write? Position relative, relative, relative. And obviously banner info, position absolute, you have to write position absolute. Now if you can refresh, is it happen? It is still there, right? You write the top value 0. Top is going to be 0. Top 0. Now if you can write top 0, where it is when? Exactly inside the banner. For example, if there is no relative here, there is no relative. If I can refresh, where it will go? It will go above the, it will go out of the banner. It is not inside the banner. It will go out of the banner. So always position relative should be there, right? So top value, you write 40 pixels, top 40 px of 40, just 40. If I write 40, is it just at 40? Right. Left also little. I want to make left. Left is going to be, I'm writing 30. So semicolon. Don't need pixels also here. In left, it will work automatically. Now you see, this is, and add the color. What is the color we can take? Banner info color is going to be, can I use white color? White color I'm taking. So this is the white color. Is it looks good? Not looks good for me. What I will do? Background hyphen color. What is the background color? RGBA. RGBA. I'm taking 0, 0, 0, I'm taking, this is going to be 0.6 or 7 or 8. Transparent background, you will get it. See, can you see the transparent background? Now it is somewhat visible than previous, right? Still, you want to make more value, you can take the more value also. Let us use some padding inside of it. I'm writing padding 10 pixels inside this thing. So the strip will be added like this. Okay, whatever it may be, there is a strip is not there, but we added the strip. Or if you want, you can do like this also. Okay, now like this, you do the bottom link also. Okay, like this, you do bottom link. Okay, now let us come to the assignment now. So come to the assignment 3, if you can come here. So this is assignment 3. Anshuman sent to me. He has some doubt in the assignment. Let me check the assignment. What is the problem in this assignment 3 now? Okay, let me extract the files here directly. If you can extract the files, open extract here, right? Yep. So this is a HTML. This is a CSS file. Let us open both the files in editor. Open them in the editor and run this file, HTML file. If I can run the HTML file, maybe if you use images, maybe I cannot get images available. So open in default here. Yep, you used images. But I mean, what I want to say, tell you, if you have any doubt in the assignment, send all the assignment zip images, including everything if you can send, so that it is very easy to give that preview. But I hope you are done with this assignment. So, but images are not only not loaded, But if you have more gap between the images, I don't know how to say this output here. But if you can send a whole zip, so I can check the things, whole entire zip, including images.
Okay, sir.
Right, if you can send it, I can check the same thing. That we will see. If possible, send it to me right now. Otherwise, you can send me tomorrow session also. We will check the same thing. No problem. Okay, right. So any assignment you are doing, send everything, including images also. If you are not sending images, how do I get those? Right, it's not easy, right? That's why. So then only you will get better solution. By saying this, I cannot give any suggestion. Okay, right. Thank you. So, but I hope you have done this assignment, Anshuman.
Yes, sir.
Yes, okay. Yeah, that looks good as per the structure, but I don't know what happening if you have an image there, but I need to check that image. Maybe then you
Okay, I will send tomorrow, sir. All the images
Right.
file.
you send to me tomorrow, no problem. Okay.
Okay.
Tomorrow session, we will download the same thing and we will check it. Okay. Like this, other students also, if you are completed and you please check this assignments if you have anything. And if you are done and if you're stuck in anywhere or you are in the middle of the assignment, if you didn't understand, please let me know. I can help you on the assignments. All the online people. Tomorrow also we have the time. But not only tomorrow, every day we have. Okay. But especially I want to sit with you because on Monday session onwards, I want to start the website. Let us create our own website, response website. So that's why I'm asking you. So if you have any questions, like, let me know. So, okay, I will spend some time with you tomorrow. And still, if you have any questions, and we will sit on them and we will discuss them. Okay, right. Thank you. I'm stopping the session for the day.